I right click and going to customize the ribbon, general. Also on user interface, we have some other features. The first one is written when using multiple display, which means you have several monitors. Optimize for the best appearance. If you hold down the mouse, it will show you some features like change the text and image look sharp on the screen, disabling the settings for fixed issues, which I recommend you to do that, or choose the optimized version and compatibility mode, which need to restart your Word, which means you have to close the whole Microsoft Word and reopen it. We have the enable live preview. If your computer is old, I recommend you to disable that. Else, you could keep it on. What is live preview? And some features like font face. You see, when I'm hovering anything without clicking and applying, you could see the preview. This is the live preview, or something like underlines. And of course, it is not working on anywhere. For example, colors here, nothing works. There are many sections working with live preview, like images, filters, and many effects. Anyway, if you're not okay with live preview, you could go to the file, options, and enable live preview. Now, if I press OK, there is no preview of fonts or live preview of underline. I'm going to the options of Word and enable that. And we have another one, update document content while dragging. Again, if your computer is very old, you could disable it while you're rotating some elements or dragging some objects. Lively not gonna update until releasing your mouse. Although I think they are not so useful or important nowadays. And collapse the ribbon automatically, which we already done. And collapse the Microsoft search box by default. If I enable that and press OK, by default you don't see Microsoft search here, but there is an icon of magnifier. You could click there, enable search, and click anywhere else, it will collapse it.